Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all. Very good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes, beta. What all is done? Prepositions are done. Modals are done. Nothing in writing section.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Analytical paragraph you said is not done na, in your class?
Ma'am, we have done.
Only one we have.
I'm done.
Ma'am, we
Chavan,
have
you
done two analytic
We
paragraphs.
have done two analytical paragraphs, one pie chart
fine,
and one
fine,
bar graph.
fine. Okay, very good. So today, what we have done one thing in writing section, that is writing an analytical paragraph, and two topics in grammar are already done with you, modals and
Ma'am, determiners and prepositions.
Ma'am, determiners and prepositions.
Ma'am,
Very good.
models we have not done.
Those students who are continuously with me, those who are regular, why I keep speaking this is those students who don't come for the classes, they should know what is happening. So those of you who don't come regularly, this is basically for you, beta, so that you remember what all is done in writing section. How many paragraphs did we have in the analytical paragraph?
Ma'am,
Quickly,
we have three types of
Three.
which is the paragraph which is written in long detail?
Ma'am, Second. detail paragraph.
Ma'am,
Yes. Today we'll move on to the writing section, 5 marks. This is a formal letter.
Ma'am,
Okay.
in the morning we have done the format and have discussed one format.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
In the
Morning
previous period, in the second period, we've done now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll take up a different kind of a formal letter with you. I think letter to the editor was discussed now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That was it.
Second kind of letter which I'm showing you, formal letter, is a business letter. This one. You are Amar Gulati of Jain High School. You are taking your students to go on a sports meet for which you need some sports equipment. So you're writing to this place, ordering for certain sports good. Just go through it very quickly. I'll discuss this later with you. And then today we'll write one letter. One letter we'll write to the editor or for placing orders. Any one I'll select, or you tell me whichever you're more confident in. First, just go through this quickly, then you will write and post today. In the previous class, we did not write anything. Yes, this is Jain High School. I think you observed carefully that the first letter is capital. The entire school name is written capital.
Only the first letter of each.
Yes.
first
only the
letter
first-
of each word is capital.
This is not needed. The second line, what is written is not needed. You simply write in that second line, what will you write? The name of the city, and you'll write the pin code. No need to write Uttar Pradesh and all. So what is the change which is needed? Only 2 lines. How many lines should you use when you're writing your sender's address?
2 lines.
Two lines.
While writing the name of the school or the organization, the first letter only to be capital. And in the second line, only the name of the city and the pin code. So we don't need a comma over here. Coming to the date. What is wrong in the date?
Ma'am, there is
we
no
have not used
TH.
TH after it.
Okay,
No
there is
TH and
H
comma.
and a comma after,
Commas also.
Comma after the month's name.
after November.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, here again. Designation of the person to whom we are writing and the receiver's address. The person is the manager. Whom are we writing this to?
Manager.
The manager.
The
The manager.
You will write the name of the company and no need to write this, no details to be given of the address. Simply Faridabad and pin code. That means again you will use only 2 lines for writing the address. One line is for the person to whom you are writing, the editor, the manager, the general manager, whatever you want to write. So first line will be used for this. And after you do this, only 2 lines to be used. The name of the company and the name of the city and the pin code. If there you have written 123XXX, here you can write 456XXX as a pin code. So we should have only the manager and only 2 lines for the address. Then we move on to the salutation, dear sir. If you want, you can put comma. If you don't want, don't put a comma. Both are correct. Nowadays, we generally don't put commas over here. Look at the subject. Subject is very short. Subject should not be a complete sentence. We will not say that we want to order.
Ma'am, do we have to underline the subject?
Not compulsory. If you want, you can. Otherwise, not needed. Just remember that the subject should be very short. It should not be a sentence. Do not say we want to order for sports goods. Simply, you will say order for sports good. Now the reference has come. Reference. We generally start it as this is with reference to. Either you can give the reference of a meeting or you can give the reference of a telephonic conversation. Because before you place an order, you must have done any one of this. Either you must have gone and met the person or you must have spoken to him on the phone. So you will start your letter with, this is with reference to our meeting on this date, or this is with reference to a telephonic conversation dated so and so. Whether it is a meeting or it is a telephonic conversation, children, always mention the date. First line is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Either it could be a meeting
Yes,
or it could
ma'am.
be a, or it could be a.
Telephonic communication.
So please start like this so that the person who's receiving the letter is able to relate who you are and what you want to say. So you can start, this is with reference to our meeting on November 10th, or this is with reference to our telephonic conversation dated November 10th. We have gone through the catalog and would like to place an order for certain sports goods. Kindly refer to this. 4 columns are there. Serial number, item, you can have a brand over here. In place of this product code, you can always also have which column over here?
The brand.
Brand.
If you don't know the brands of leg guards, all you can simply write ABC, PQR, XYZ. If you know Costco, Nivea, balls and all, you write. If you don't know, simply write ABC. And of course, the quantity. When you write the quantity, don't write 1, 2, 1, 2. It has to be a bulk order. Otherwise, nobody is going to deliver it. At least 8, 10, 12, like this. Not terms and conditions. The second paragraph here is terms and conditions. Kindly ensure that the items are not damaged in any way. We would also like to avail 20% discount agreed upon during our meeting. So the person is just reminding that yes, when we met or when we spoke on the phone, you had promised a discount of how much?
20%.
20%.
From your side, you have given both the conditions that the item should not be damaged and 20% discount. Now you need to do something from your side. You need to give him. I'm enclosing a check of rupees 2,000 as an advance payment for the goods. So many things you're asking him to, obviously, you need to pay some advance. So you tell him that this is the advance I'm sending you. Now come to this. The items are urgently required and I hope you will keep your word of delivering them within 1 week. Maybe when we met or when we spoke to the person, he must have promised that he would deliver it in how much time?
1 week.
1 week.
I'm 1 week.
1 week.
There is one more thing which
week.
I would suggest you should add on to the terms and conditions, that if any item is found damaged, okay, or is not up to the mark, then it would be returned and no payment would be made against it. I would always suggest to add this line. We are saying that please send all good things, nothing should be damaged. But imagine if still something comes which is damaged. Then you have not set anything in your terms and conditions. You cannot go and fight with the person. You have simply said what? That send us good items, send us items which are not damaged. But you have not mentioned now, if supposing something is damaged, what will you do? Did you mention? No, na? So we should do that. We should mention that also. If any item is found to be damaged or of poor quality, it would be returned and no payment would be made against it. That means for that particular item, we are not going to pay you. Any other condition which we have missed out? You have already told that you are paying the advance, but did you tell the rest of the money when you will pay, how you will pay? Supposing you are the owner of a shop and you get such kind of a letter, the order is of 20,000 rupees and the person has sent you 2,000 rupees, and he has mentioned also, yes, I'm sending you 2,000, and he's asked you so many things, that the quality should be good, discount should be there, everything should be there. What is the first thing which will come to your mind? कि हमसे तो इतना कुछ बोल दिया, but the person is not telling the rest of the money. When will he give? How he will give? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Make the other
Ma'am, we
person
can also ask,
We can also speak, beta.
ma'am, we can also ask if he disagrees on any of the above, then the order would be cancelled.
Disagree. There is no reason to write because we've already had a telephonic conversation or a meeting. So we are only writing those things which were discussed earlier. Cancellation, we don't have to write. Remember, this is a letter of placing orders. Avoid using the word cancel because we have alag se, we are going to study about letters of cancellation. So please mention this. The balance payment would be made after the items are delivered and checked. The balance payment would be made in cash, by check, online. It's entirely your choice that the rest of the money, how you will pay. You will do the transaction online, or you would make it cash, or you will give it by check. But tell the person that the balance payment would be made in cash after the delivery and checking of the items. Okay, within a week, within 2 days, or at the time of delivery of items. Whenever you want to pay, it's entirely on you, but don't delay it for more than a week. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When will you pay? How you will pay? So I have just made a simple sentence that the balance payment would be made in cash at the time of delivery and after all the items are checked. Means the day I get my things, I have checked them, I'll give you the money in cash. You could also say that within a week after we have checked the items, the payment would be made online via, it could be made by Paytm or so many apps nowadays you have. You can mention anything, beta. It could be a check as well. But please mention about 2 things which are not mentioned in this letter. Number 1, if something is damaged, what will you do? And
Ma'am, we can
either
ask for payment details.
payment details means
Ma'am, like your account number, etc.
We can ask for the bill also.
yes, you can say that. Please ensure to send a proper bill along with the items. You can add this, but take care of the word limit. It's like a formal letter. Now, simply, there is no need to write yours truly and all. We are all business people. You could simply say thanking you in anticipation. Matlab, advance me, we are telling you thank you, and then you write about yourself. Take 2 minutes. Please read. And now you are the hostel warden. Who are you? Hostel warden.
Warden.
Hostel.
And you have to place an order for electrical appliances for your school hostel. Fan, coolers, bulbs. Clear? Plan your letter, children. Orally, I'll be asking you. First one, practice oral of a business letter. School warden of a school, and you can have the same school. The name can be the same. No issues. You are same. It's only that you are the hostel warden. So think about electrical appliances which are needed in a hostel. Plan your matter quickly, then I'll ask you.
Ma'am, can you please repeat what we have to do as I could not hear? There was some network issue.
Beta, you have to plan the letter. I'll be discussing it with you. Same format business letter. But you'll be placing an order for electrical appliances, coolers, fans, tube lights. You are the hostel warden
Okay, ma'am.
and you'll be placing order for electrical appliances. Same school we can have. So Abhi, to just plan it out because today you're doing it for the first time. I'm not making you write. Yes, hurry up, last 2 minutes. Yes, let's start. Tell me, what is the center's address?
Jain High School, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh.
Jan High School, Mathura.
Jab High School, Club Road, Mathura. Jab High School, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, and the pin code, Club Road is not needed. Fine. What should come after that?
I'm date.
Ma'am,
11th
Tell me
November.
today's.
27th
May
May.
27,
27th
2026.
27th May
We have
20.
27th May 20XX.
Okay, okay. Next.
comma after month.
Oh, yes. Next thing.
The
Manager, ABC,
Manager.
Faridabad, Haryana.
You're writing to the manager. Let's have the name of the company as same only. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll continue with the same company. Chalo, very good.
Some another name also, right?
You can have some another name also. No issues. What will be subject?
Order for electrical appliances.
Order for electrical appliances.
Very good. Chale, very good. Tell me the introductory line.
This has reference to a meeting on May 25th, 2000XX.
This has reference to our meeting or this is reference to our telephonic call on November 15, 2026.
We have gone
So
through
I've got both
the
the options. I've got both the options. One of them said reference to the meeting, and the other child said reference to the telephonic conversation. But it has to be any one. Either it has to be the telephonic conversation or it has to be the reference to the meeting. Now, can we have a table? Tell me quickly in table what all things you can order. What all you are ordering?
Electric bulbs, fans.
One by
air
one, one by
conditioner.
one.
Ma'am, air conditioner.
One by one, one by one. Supposing you're saying serial number 1, then tell all the 4 entries of the 4 columns. Yes, number 1.
Ma'am, electric bulbs.
What are you ordering, beta?
Ma'am, bulbs.
Okay, she's ordering bulbs. What is the third
Mechanical
column that you
circuit
have given?
breakers.
Ma'am,
What is
air
the third
conditioner,
column?
air.
Beta, wait, I said all the
Fans.
4 entries. I said all the 4 entries of one list first. Yes, beta, the child who said bulb. What will you write in the third column in the brand?
Ma'am, then fans.
No, beta, there are 4 columns. Serial number 1, then you've written bulb. What will you write in the third column for bulbs?
Ma'am, the product code.
Either you write the product code or you write the brand. So what would you like to go for, product code or brand?
Ma'am, brand.
Brand. Tell me which brand of bulbs you want.
Ma'am, XYZ.
XYZ. And what is the quantity?
Ma'am, 10.
Yes. This is how you should speak one by one. Serial number, item, brand, and then the quantity. One bulbs we have already ordered. Now you people speak. Number 2.
Ma'am, number 2, miniature
Yes.
circuit breakers, ma'am, of company Cisco, and 8 in quantity.
Fine. Perfect. Yes. Number 3.
Ma'am, number 3, air conditioners, brand 10 kg, quantity 3.
Fine. Number 4.
Ma'am, electric fans,
Okay.
and
Brand.
brand ABC,
LAB.
Okay. ABC. Quantity.
and quantity 5.
Ma'am, extension boards,
Yes.
and ma'am, brand PQR, and quantity, ma'am, 2.
Okay. Add on one more thing, last thing.
Ma'am, switchboards.
Ma'am, coolers we can have.
Okay. See, when you're placing orders and you're making a table, keep 2 things in mind. The minimum number of items to be ordered should be at least 5. If it is less, nobody will come and deliver. And number 2, beta, remember that the quantity should be high. Don't order for 1 or 2 items. The quantity should be high. Okay?
But if the the product is quite big, like we talk about air conditioners, so we need actually we need only 3-4 in our hostel, so minimum that could be the number.
Tell me 2 things to be kept in mind very quickly.
And the quantity should be more than 5 we order.
Beta, somebody else also speak. Come on, 2 things to be kept in mind when you're placing an order.
Items should be at least 5 or more, and the quantity should be large enough.
Okay, now come to terms and conditions, children. Yes, start speaking one by one. What terms and conditions?
The terms and conditions which I follow are, and any item should not be damaged, and in case any item is damaged, we will return it with no payment. We will avail for about 30% of discount as discussed in our telephonic conversation. The third could be I am enclosing a check of rupees 3,000 advance payment for the electrical appliance, and rest of the money I will pay through online transaction after checking the goods on the date of delivery.
Yes, some other student about terms and conditions. Please speak, children. Without speaking, how will we do?
May I?
Beta, will you speak or only these 2-3 people will only speak in the entire class? So many participants are there.
Kindly ensure
Speak.
that the items are not damaged in any way. In case any item is found damaged, it would be returned and no payment would be made against it. We would
Very
also
good.
like to avail 25% discount as agreed upon during our meeting. I am enclosing a check of rupees 5,000 as an advance payment for the electrical goods. The rest of the payment will be paid after the objects are being delivered and checked thoroughly. Kindly ensure that the order is delivered within the decided 1 week.
Very good. Everything correct. In place of rest of the payment, it should be balance payment.
Ma'am, may I?
Speak, beta.
Kindly ensure that there is no damage.
Haha, beta. Very good. Try.
I would like to avail 10% of the discount as agreed during the meeting. I am enclosing a check of rupees 4,000 as the advance payment, and the rest money I will send after checking the appliances. The items are urgently required, and I hope that you will keep your word of delivery.
Kindly send the items within 1 week.
Fine. Within 1 week. The same thing, beta. When you said I would like to want a discount, we would expect a discount. And in place of rest of the payment, it should be the balance payment. What is the word we should use for the rest of the payment?
Balance payment.
And balance
Yes.
payment.
Yes, it
Balance.
is balance payment. Okay. So be careful to use these words. Do not say the rest of the payment. Use the word balance payment. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now let's conclude. Let's conclude. Yes, yes. How will you conclude? Yours, what? Thanking you, what? Let's finish the concluding part.
Thanks and
Thanking
regards.
you in anticipation.
Thanking you in
Thank you
anticipation.
and
Regards, Videsh.
regards, Punit.
Yes, thanking you in anticipation. And who is writing this letter?
I'm the hostel warden.
Yes, the designation has to be hostel warden. Very good. In the morning, we discussed the letter too.
Yes, ma'am, the format and the
Yes, ma'am.
rest.
Letter to the editor.
We had discussed the letter to the editor. We saw, and did we practice one letter? Any one letter to the editor? Yes, it was what?
The
Problem of what in
snatch.
your locality?
Chain snatching.
Chain snatching.
Chain snatching. I think we have time. We can orally discuss one more letter. Now, you people tell me, you want to revise letter to editor or you want to revise a business letter?
Letter to editor.
Letter to
Ma'am
editor?
to editor.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Letter to the editor.
Okay, fine. What topic should we take up? And which newspaper?
Ma'am, Times of
Let's-
India.
Newspaper.
Okay, again, Times of India. Letter to the editor. We are writing Times of India and we are going to show our concern towards what topic or what problem?
I'm holding
Frequent power cuts.
Frequent power cuts. This is a good topic. Yes. 2 minutes to plan the matter. We'll start writing. Orally, of course, we are doing today because today is the first day. From next class, we'll write. Please plan the points. I want you to give me points. What are problems you people are facing because of frequent power cuts? Everybody needs to speak.
Can we use stats in these letters?
Beta, what are you saying? You're not clear. Say again.
Can we use stats in these letters?
Can we use what?
Statistical information.
What kind of statistical information you would like to add on in a letter to the editor?
Ma'am,
for
like
power cuts?
these many people died due to power cuts last year.
People died due to power cuts. I've heard it for the first time.
Ma'am, in hospitals.
How people die due to power cut, Beta? Just elaborate a little. It's something
Ma'am,
interesting.
electricity is needed for treatment of many diseases.
Beta, but if there's a
Urgently.
hospital, they will certainly have a power backup. So don't put this point. This is looking a little awkward because if there's a hospital, obviously there has to be a power backup. At home, we don't die because of power cuts. We of course suffer, but we don't die. However, in other cases, you can always put on some figures. For example, we did chain snatching in the morning. There you could have put your data that yes, last year there were so many cases. And before that, we had so many cases. There you can surely put on some informatory figures there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Should we start? Or you people need a minute or so?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Abhay Singh Tomar is going to start today. Yes, Abhay, start. Abhay Singh Tomar. Good afternoon. See this invisible man? Third call for you, Abhay Singh Tomar. Are you there? Very good. I'll mark him absent for 15 days. Aiza, first line from you.
Okay, ma'am.
Aiza Wasim,
Yes, ma'am.
first line from you. How to start the letter?
Ma'am, I can't remember that word we used to. In the last letter we
Okay.
discussed that.
Chaliye,
AE
let's.
something.
Ananya Singh. Yes, Ananya Singh, can you tell us? See, Ananya is so smart. She immediately left the meeting. The moment I took her name, she left. Very good. Anshima, can you start this letter? First sentence.
Ma'am, I'm going to try. Please wait.
Okay. Gargi,
Yes, ma'am.
first line.
The first line is I, XYZ, resident of ABC colony, is writing this letter. Draw your kind attention towards the frequent power cuts that occur during our meeting.
Okay, this is one way of writing it and a very nice way of writing. Jigyasa,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Peter.
Ma'am, I'm really sorry, but unfortunately, when you discussed about the topic, I got disconnected. Like there was a network issue. Can you just repeat that?
We're just asking about how to write the first letter, first sentence of the letter to the editor, how to start. That is what I'm asking, Peter.
The
Oh,
topic.
very good. Topic is frequent power cuts.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can
Oh, that child has also left. So whoever name I'm taking is leaving the meeting. That's interesting. Pranjal,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Tell me the first sentence. How will you start your letter?
And we need to take our original name or any other.
No, not needed. You can say I, ABC,
Excuse me,
resident of
ma'am.
this society. Yes, Viche.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Jigyasa got disconnected due to network issue.
That is what I was wondering. Jigyasa is a good girl. How come she's leaving? I'll just add her. By the time, Pranjal, I'm waiting for you. Come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, now can I speak?
am-
Just one second, Achima. First, Pranjal, then we will give you a chance. Yes, speak.
I am XYZ of place X, and ma'am, we need to take. Ma'am, we may you choose our original place or any other.
No, beta, any other locality, PQR colony, ABC, or any model town, anything, the civil lines, something very common.
I XYZ of resident Y is having complaint for relating if we are complaining about anything.
Complain. We cannot give a complaint to the editor. If you have to complain about power cut, you need to complain to the electricity department, no? So we are not writing about complaining. We just want to draw the attention of the authorities. That's what we are wanting to do through the letter. If it has to be a complaint, it has to be done to the concerned department. So change this word complaint. I'll come back to you again. Anshima, your turn now.
Ma'am, can I also like speak about a little bit about the problems? Only one sentence in the first paragraph only.
No, beta, first paragraph, avoid doing it. Just tell the purpose of writing the letter. All the details
Yes,
and the
ma'am, the
hardships which you
agenda
are facing,
only.
second paragraph. Okay, let's see what you have planned. Speak a little.
I, ABC, a resident of X residing, would like to bring your attention that in the recent weeks we have been experiencing a great number of power cuts, which is a rising concern here in the locality. Because of these cuts, very tragic effects would be noticed on health, both mental as well as physical. Some of the major agendas are children are not
That
able
will
to
go into
complete
the
their.
second paragraph. Now, whatever you're
Yes,
telling the details, that will move on to the second paragraph. You'll be giving the details in the second paragraph. Good. Well planned. Okay. Naina, you are ready. And Puneet. Speak, Naina, speak, Puneet. One by one.
XYZ. I, XY resident of PQR colony, is wanting to draw